The plant cell is eukaryotic, meaning it has a nucleus. The plant cell is the only type of eukaryotic cell to make its own food, and the only multicellular eukaryotic cell to have a cell wall. The rigid cell wall holds the cell in place and is made of cellulose. The semi-permeable cell membrane lies right underneath and allows only certain things in and out of the cell. The jelly-like filling for the cell is the cytoplasm, in which all the organelles float in. The most unique organelle in the plant cell is the chloroplast, which through photosynthesis uses sunlight to turn carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Glucose gets sent with waste and water to the large central vacuole, which gives plant cells their shape.
Lysosomes are one of the main organelles involved in the digestion and waste removal processes within a cell. Lysosomes contain various digestive enzymes which helps digest excess or worn-out organelles, food particles, and engulf viruses and bacteria. The mitochondria are double-membrane organelles that serve as the powerhouse of the cell. They take nutrients stored within the vacuole and use it to produce energy for the cell through cellular respiration. The nucleus is the brain or control center of the cell. It is where the cell's genetic material is stored. This material is made up of DNA molecules and proteins, which is used to form chromosomes. It is surrounded by a membrane called the nuclear envelope, which helps to keep the genetic material within the nucleus. The nucleolus is a dense body that makes up about 25% of the nucleus. It is made up of proteins and RNA. It is where ribosomes are made. Ribosomes are small structures that create protein. Protein is needed for various functions such as repairing damage or directing chemical processes. Ribosomes can be found floating within the cytoplasm or covering the rough endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is covered in ribosomes. It is involved in some protein production as well as the dispatch and regulation of proteins. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the metabolism and production of fats and RNA. The Golgi apparatus is where the modification, sorting, and packaging of proteins for secretion takes place. It is also involved in the transportation of lipids throughout the cell and the creation of lysosomes.